Hey guys, namaste, fist pump. Welcome to this video. DIY reverse hyper with a bunch of Mirafit stuff. Fairly easy to make, fairly low technical ability. You will need a drill and some wood, but I will run through the video. Thanks for watching. If you like this sort of thing, DIY gym stuff, I make a lot of crazy stuff. And check out my previous videos on how I actually made the belt squat attachment that goes on here in previous videos. Like and subscribe and all that. And thanks for watching. Also, if you have any comments, please drop them below. I answer pretty much every single question that I get a notification for. I do my best to. If you have any questions, drop them in. And let's get on with the video. So guys, here is my version 1 reverse hyper. It's actually version 2, but we didn't make a video for version 1. So, what do we have here? We've got the Mirafit yoke, and then we have this beam that's also from Mirafit. It's like a bracing thing. We've got the spotter arms on here. We have these pins that go through. I have, this video isn't sponsored by Mirafit, it's cheap and reliable. From Mirafit, ab mat with a foley eye bit. This is not the world's comfiest thing. Bit of wood. Then I have my belt squat attachment that I've made and designed. It just pins in there, so this just pins in and out. And swingy, swing, swing. I'll show you a quick how to make one and a quick first demo of it. Is it perfect? No. Is it work in progress? Yes. Eventually can get this bit actually covered with proper foam. This bit here is painful when you do it because this just isn't enough padding, but that's an easy fix. Okay, I'll talk you through some of the materials I've got here. This is stolen from a landmine and it's just bolted onto this piece. And this piece is just from Mirafit and it's like a bracket thing. I'll maybe provide a link. And then I've got this wood that I've sawed in half really badly. And it's 2 pieces of wood. And this is, forget this measuring tape so we can do this one-handed. That is 18 inches across. And I'm going to drill the holes to mount it about here, which is about 8.5, 22 centimeters up, and that's where I'm going to mount it. So I'm going to drill a little hole somewhere about here for this, just because this is too long to sit in, and then I'm going to drill 16 mil holes to go through there, so this will sit kind of like this and bolted onto here. So here we have all the holes are drilled, it's mounted, so it's mounted on, this is bolted on here, and if I hold it up here, as you can see, these bolts aren't in the middle. We'll just have a tiny overlap here and then a bigger overlap here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the other bit of wood and lay it on top of this to give it a wee bit more structure and strength. Okay, next up, I've got this setup mounted onto the yoke. Hello, yoke. Put the other bit of wood on top. Drilled these holes to make little spaces here. This is not drilled perfectly. This needs to get finished up. This is just laying on top, but I will bolt these together, and that just adds a bit more structure. Most of your body weight's going to be here, so this is why this bit's shorter, because it's going to be a wee bit stronger. And as you can see, there's a gap here. I'll get rid of that, but I'll give you a quick idea on how it works. So I've attached the belt squat thing onto here. This hole still needs to be drilled out to 16, but this is a smaller pin. This will pivot. I'm sure there's a way of tacking that down and leaving that, but it really doesn't matter too much. And it's set up here with a wee hooky hook and a band, and we'll do some reverse hypers.